Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mahua for class 6 English. Myself Nimisha Mehta wish you Happy New Year for 2021. We have discussed in our last lecture Unit 2 Activity 7. Today we are going to start our Activity 8. In this Activity 8, they mention one image, public domain image. Out of this image, we have to play one game. But in this situation, we can't together with our classmate in a school. So, play a game with your class naming as many animals as you can. So, dear students, you have to play this game with your friends, your siblings, with your neighbors. Okay? One student begins the game saying, I went to the zoo and I saw an aardvark. Do you know? An aardvark is a one type of animal. One by one students speak out the animal's name and remember the animal's name. Which one spoke out? Other student with your classmate. Okay? The next student extends the story saying, I went to the zoo and I saw an aardvark and a cat. He added one more animal's name. The third student says, I went to the zoo and I saw an aardvark, a cat and a peacock. The game continues with each student adding to the list. If one student forgets an animal, other students can help. So dear children, you have to play this game with your friends, siblings and enjoy this game. Okay? Now here work together as a class to make the longest possible animal sentence. How many animals did you have in your longest sentence? So you have to prepare different animals names list and compare. We created a sentence with 20 animals, 25 animals, which one you collected. Okay? If other classes in your school study this poem, find out how long their sentences are. Did the other class think of animals that your class didn't? But in this situation, we can't compare with other class. So, you mention yourself. Okay, now we go as per activity 9. In this activity 9, they given the story, the lion and the mouse. So, we all go in LKG, UKG section. Okay? Do you know this story, the lion and the mouse? One day, a big strong lion was asleep. Suddenly, a little mouse ran right over his back. The lion woke up with a roar and grabbed the mouse. He was so angry that he was ready to beat the mouse in half. Oh, please, please don't beat me, said the little mouse. Do you know? No? The lion is a giant animal, king of the jungle, and the rat, very little mouse. I am sorry, I woke you. Please let me go. The lion said, why should I let you go? The mouse, very little than the lion, and he back to the lion. I am sorry, I woke you. Please let me go. But the lion said, and roaring, why should I let you go? The mouse replied, if you do, someday when you need help, I will help you. He promised with lion, who? The mouse. If you do, someday when you need help, I will help you. The lion was very big and strong. He thought the idea that the little mouse could help him was so funny that he laughed out loud because the lion knew the mouse is a very little creature. How he helped me? So he laughed. The mouse said, "You laugh, but I am strong too. Someday I may saw you." The lion did not believe it, but the laughing stopped his angry feelings. So he let the mouse go, and he left the mouse. Some time later, some hunters caught the lion in a trap. The trap was made of strong rope. The lion was very strong, but he could not break the strong ropes. He began to feel afraid. He was so afraid that he could not act. He started to cry because he caught in a net. So he afraid and could not act. He started to cry. The king of the jungle, see, caught by the hunter's net. I have showed many images here. So बच्चे, the lion and the mouse. Remember your KG section. The lion and the mouse. Many images I saw you. Look here. See that. How help the rat. Okay. So these images about this story. So the lion and the mouse. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose, roused from his nap. The lion laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. Here also with this image, the lion and the mouse. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose. Roused from his nap, the lion laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. Our textbook story, we give here some more details. "Spare me," begged the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you." That rat mouse promised, no? Okay. The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him. But he was generous and finally let the mouse go. The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him. But he was generous and finally let the mouse go. Some days later, while tracking his prey in the forest, the lion was caught in the toils of a hunter's net. Unable to free himself, he filled the forest with his angry roaring. The mouse knew the voice and quickly found the lion struggling in the net. Running to one of the great ropes that bound him, she gnawed it until it parted, and soon the lion was free. "Help no mouse," the little mouse helped the giant lion. "You laughed when I said I would repay you," said the mouse. "Now you see that even a mouse can help a lion." Out of this story, we get moral that a kindness is never wasted. Always we are human being. We follow the kindness. Okay. So, out of this story, we learned that a kindness is never wasted. Wasted. Okay, बच्चे. Okay, dear children, I hope you understand this story and write down in your notebook question answers and complete your book. Okay, children, thank you.